Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Buick Lacrosse without a key. We'll cover several effective methods, discuss important safety considerations, and identify the tools you might need. Our goal is to help you regain access to your vehicle safely and efficiently, providing a comprehensive guide from start to finish. Whether you're in a hurry or just need a quick solution, this guide offers practical advice to get you back on the road in no time. When you find yourself locked out, several methods can help. One common approach involves using a slim jim or a wedge to gently create a small gap in the door frame. Another technique utilizes a straightened coat hanger to reach and activate the interior door lock mechanism. For those who prefer not to attempt these methods themselves, contacting a professional locksmith is always a reliable option, ensuring a quick and damage-free solution. Many roadside assistance programs also cover lockout situations, providing peace of mind. To manually unlock your Buick Lacrosse, begin by gently prying the top corner of the driver's side door frame. Once a small gap is created, insert a plastic wedge to hold the opening steady, preventing any damage. Next, take a long, rigid tool, such as a straightened coat hanger or a specialized reach tool, and carefully maneuver it through the gap. Aim to hook or press the interior door handle. With a gentle pull, the door should unlock, allowing you to regain access to your vehicle. While attempting to unlock your vehicle, always prioritize safety to prevent any damage to your car's paint, window, or door seals. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with manual methods, it's highly recommended to contact a certified locksmith. They possess the specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Buick Lacrosse without causing any harm. Additionally, remember that many roadside assistance plans include lockout services. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible location, like with a trusted friend or family member.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.